Ingredients for the muffins: 3 eggs, 130 milliliters of milk, 100 grams of grated cheddar, 80 milliliters of sunflower oil, 150 grams of flour, 5 slices of bacon, 3 green onions, 12 milliliters of baking powder, salt and pepper.
First of all, cut the onion.
Cook the bacon in a pan. In a bowl, mix together the flour, baking powder, grated cheddar cheese, bacon bits and chopped onions.
Add the eggs and mix well. Mix your savory muffin batter with the sunflower oil and milk, add pepper to taste and mix one last time.
Pour your butter into muffin tins. Bake for 25 minutes. Let muffins cool down before gently unmolding them.
And here are your delicious muffins. Yummy!